Georgie, good morning.
Hey, we're at school and we're having non-uniform day again because today's the last day of school before the summer holidays.
Ayan, lumabas na si Georgie. Tingnan mo. Siya talaga pumili ng suot niya, oh. Sinuot niya, bootlines na hoodie. Tapos, nagpantalon. Papasok na tayo, guys, no? Hinatid na tayo ni Mr. So, mamaya, mag-message na lang ako kung anong oras ko matapos para sunduin niya, no? Nantok talaga ako. Ayan, sinundo na tayo, guys. Tapos, dinalahan ako ng damit ni Sir, pambihis. So, nakabihis sa sakyan. Nag-pull over muna siya para makabihis tayo ba. Tapos, sunduin namin si Georgie. Dahil maaga pa, wala siyang pasok. Nag-decide siya na punta kami ng town. Small town. Tapos, meron tayong naiuwing donut. It's free. So, kakainin natin yan mamaya pag nakapark na kami sa labas ng school ni Georgie. So anyway guys, meron magandang balita kasi naka-receive ng email si Mr. from the Performing Arts Principals na meron silang slot for Georgie. So, ayan, na-enrolled na ni Mr. si Georgie for Performing Arts. Yay! Pero hindi namin sasabihin sa kanya kasi sabi ni Mr. hintayin na lang na i-deliver yung uniform niya para siya nang magbukas ng uniform niya. Yan. So, every Saturday, meron na siyang performing arts. So, yan.
Put your head behind your shoulders.
Sinundo na ni Mr. si Georgie, guys. Natagalan sila dahil, I'm sure, hinahanap. Kasi kanina, nakita kasi namin si Georgie, lumabas siya ba? Akala namin na pag-iwanan siya. Yun pala, hinahanap niya yung hoodie niya. Hindi niya nahanap. So, kaya siguro natagalan yung mag-ama kong lumabas. Baka tinulungan ni Mr. na hanapin yung hoodie ni Georgie. Ang sarap kaya pag sa feeling pag yung matapos na yung school year. Next year is year 4 na si Georgie. Parang kailan lang. Ang bilis ng panahon. Bakit kaya bigla tong nagyaya mamasyal kami saglit? Parang kailan lang sa Dubai, si Daddy din taga-sundo ni Georgie. Sasakyan lang ako. I love. Iskabi.
Sent her around the school to look for it, and while I was waiting, I opened her bag. It's inside. So I had to send a teacher to go and find her.
Oh my goodness.
Car park is.
That's where the car park is?
Just went over and
Andito na kami, guys. Kain siya ng donut. Watch the jam love.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We just went to somewhere and Daddy's eating a donut because I was very hungry. I ate some of it. It was a jam donut, but I was very hungry, so I ate the edges of the jam donut. And when I was just walking and walking, and I don't even know where we're going.
Well, you're going to decide with Mummy.
Okay.
Not long. So some of them set at 4.
Let's have a look here, Georgie. There's a market here. That's all plants. Look at this. Five pound?
A florist.
That's nice. Wait lang, Bill. Let me just have a look.
Bunny.
So, dito tayo sa guys, charity shop. Why are you looking? Maybe there's kid stuff there. Toys. Oh, can't you see? Ano guys, daming tawag nito, charity shop. Kaya lang, madalian lang yung tingin natin kasi ano lang naman tayo eh. Magsa-shut sila ng 5 o'clock. Baba lang kasi shops. The upstairs is bahay, no?
Yeah.
Pottery. Yeah, see? Pottery studio.
It's a tourist information centre, and that's the library.
Oh, di ba? Parang nasa Paris lang ano. Oh, it's a sweet shop. Oh no. Look at that,
This is the way
Georgie.
we always used to buy sweets,
Coconut.
out of jars.
This what made nice. You want Haribo? Huh? I put that back then. She has to wait for that one, 200 grams. Whoa.
Keep your dogs about.
Oh look. Pre-owned section.
GAA diamonds.
How much? 1,100.
Yeah.
You wanna have dinner here?
We can go and ask, look.
Yeah.
Have a look at the menu.
Yeah.
See if they do fish and chips. Oh, here's the menu. Good, they've got one outside. Look. Full steak and ale pie.
Yeah, it's your treat, yeah? Last day of school. Come on, let's have dinner.
Come on, we're all hungry.
Yeah? Well,
Sorry, my love.
Are you after food?
Yeah.
yeah.
What time is it now?
4:30.
You
I
shot?
think 5 o'clock. They start in the square.
Ah, right.
Ah, okay.
The time did serve until 4. But everywhere
It's
else
not
is
right.
sort of-
We only live round the corner. We just thought we'd pop in after school and see.
Yeah.
They shut about 2 o'clock. then.
We've probably got a good deal. We'll have to go in, Georgie.
That's another
All
one
we
there.
want to do is have a walk around.
Dito na kami sa ano guys, sa sakyan.
Sakyan.
Sa sakyan,
That sounds
mantar.
rude. That sounds rude.
Oh, look at that. Chicken. Sausage. Dito na tayo sa bahay guys. Dumaan lang kami sa Chinese shop at nag-take away na lang para ano ba, hindi na ako magluto. Treat namin for ourselves dahil plus din ni Georgie sa school. Para magpahinga lang ba. Tamad na magluto. Yeah.
A lot of the England players play for Chelsea.
So what you show me?
Kissed my nose. Mom kissed my nose. Mommy kissed my nose.
Sort that bag out, please, ladies. What are you going to show us?
Pack lunch out.
You
You ate your food?
Yeah. A little bit.
Where's my wallet?
Oh, you're done.
Where's my wallet? Oh my God.
I made this.
That's all rubbish. These are for you because I love you because you do so much for me.
Demday. Nice, thank you.
Oh, I didn't know you'd be in videos. So, Mummy, these are for you because you do so much for me and I love you.
Thank you. Demda, Daddy, you don't have to bother. This one is expensive, oh.
You don't know how much it was.
I know how much.
You
this
don't know
one.
where I got it from.
I know it's outside
Yeah.
the town.
15.
Expensive 15.
That's cheap for what it is. It's better.
Thank you.
Anyway, it's not about the money, it's about the thought that counts, except with love.
Aray, nananakit naman ito. Nagbibigay ka ng bulaklak, nananakit naman. Ano yun? Bad romance.
Romance?
Oh, 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 oh.
Yeah.
50 Shades of Grey man tayo nito.
50 Shades of Grey. I'll tie you up, and then I'll beat you.
Paano tayo manampalog? Kailangan
I'll tie you
tumalon
up, beat
para
you, and
abot.
steal your money.
Ganon tayo pag ano.
Right, sort your bag out.
Tumalon. Kasi matangka.
Sort the bag out.
Hindi abot. Can you put this back in your room?
Seggy.
Mommy and Daddy will eat.
Look. Seggy.
Oh.
Seggy.
You can have your dinner after I cook your rice.
Yeah. Yeah, boy.
Mauna na kami kumain ni Mr. guys kasi lalamig yung pagkain. Hindi yan kumakain pag malamig yung pagkain. So, si Georgie sa ingan ko pa ng kanin. Hello. Ang daming chips. Ayun yung atin. Medyo matagal din tayong hindi bumili ng bulaklak ba? Kasi mahal. Mahal kasi pag palagi fresh flowers, mahal. Tapos na. Kainin ko lang si Georgie. Tapos, ako'y upo na papahinga na. Hanggang na to. Tulugan. Wash your hands again. Ayan na po ang ating video guys. I-end ko ng ating video. Maraming salamat po. Bye-bye. Maraming salamat po. Bye-bye.